I'm Vanessa Munns and I run my own music studio, Mrs. Munns Music Studio, in a small country town called Beacon in rural Western Australia. I currently teach multiple instruments online and face-to-face. Today I'm reviewing a product available on Top Music Marketplace by Anne Hilbert. The practice kit includes a customizable music journal and a bag of tricks book. You get instructions how to print this. This is studio license, which is fantastic. For me, having the different covers means that I can actually tailor the cover to my students. So if I've got a violin student, there's one available with a stringed instrument on the front. Same with the guitar. In the beginning, it's sort of like, okay, you have your front, you have your where they put all their details and stuff like that. But then the table of contents, which is where it gets a bit more interesting. It's not just a standard practice journal. It has a few more goal settings, which are fantastic. What I like is a countdown. Some kids really like to see how many days they've got to actually perform, rather than just go, oh, I'm performing in October. I've got to do this, this, and this before this time. So you can actually have little goals within your overall goals to actually put this together. So the weekly journal pages, that's basically where they are logging their time. You've got your magic moments, okay? So you can actually list the magic moments. You then have rainy day ideas so that they can start creating their own ways of practicing. You have your repertoire record. So for those who are doing the 100-piece challenge per year, this is a way to actually write it down. The campaign tracking. Now this is where all these campaigns, they're sort of practice ideas. In the actual bag of tricks, it goes into more details. So say turtle slow motion. So that gives you all those little reminders, especially for parents, what the kids should be doing. So that in itself is really, really handy to have in that regards. So I'm actually going to be loving these just for the sake of the multi-instruments, but saving me time. For $28 US, I've got so much flexibility and everything out of this, okay? Catch you guys later. Bye.
Hey, just before you go, make sure you click here to subscribe, and we've got thousands of other videos all on the topic of music education and teaching, so make sure you check out some of those other ones here, and I'll see you in the next video.